Today we keep our shoes on, so if you're already dressed for a walk, we're ready to go. Just sitting here for a nice walk in the park and just looking up at the sky, turning my head around, exhaling down my chin towards my chest, just moving it to the side, looking a little bit, maybe a butterfly. Exhale and inhale back up. Keep breathing. Oh my God, I just saw an eagle flying by real low. That was wonderful. I wish you could have seen it. And side to side, just looking up. You never know what you're gonna see, right? Oh, wow. Looking down for the same reason. Maybe adding a little upper body movement here. Remember, this is practical yoga. When we move one way, the rest of our body is doing things. We're washing the counter. Someone's calling us. We're turning around. You know how it goes, right? You know it goes. Say, no, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. Maybe it's a half and a half. Raising a shoulder up, send it back, let it drop on its own. Shrugging the other shoulder like, I don't know, and back and let it fall. And a little circle. Maybe we're going forward a little bit if it feels good to you, the old bones cracking. Oh my goodness, let's get our ankles ready before we start walking. Both ways. Little circle. Maybe you can put your hand under your leg here to bring your foot a little higher. Huh? Oh, other one. Little getting those ankles ready. That prevents a lot. Yeah, nice little rolls. And let's just get the leg ready for that walk. Maybe going slow. Slow, and we don't have to bring the foot up very much. Just a hair off the ground is good. Just a hair off the ground is good. Gentle, gentle movement. And let's look here. I'm gonna put my hand on my side. If you're sitting on a chair, wherever you can lean a little bit, keeping the shoulder open. Just looking up the side. Maybe you're looking at your side wall here, maybe part of the ceiling. The sky, pretend you're looking at butterflies. Center, another side. Just looking around. Gentle movement. We're not going deep in our band here. Just getting the body warm up for a nice walk in the park. Are you ready to get up? You can stay on the chair if you want. You've got that option. Just scoop your bum. Now push in your feet and bring your chest forward. Push. Push. That alone is quite an exercise. It's fantastic for the quad, the bums. And then we have our chair here to fall back on or to hold. So this is nice. So I've got my chair, my bench. You can hold down too. And we're just gonna look up with our finger. Just point up. Point up. Maybe you're pointing like that. It's still up, right? You're still pointing up. Your arms don't have to be that high. So you pick where you want. Point up and start looking a little bit. Let your body move a little bit to the side like we did when we were sitting down. Oh, another side again. Just point up. And you're still pointing up doing this and this. It's all the same. You're pointing up. Huh? Look, you found something in the sky. Ooh, what's going on? Maybe turning your head a little bit. Feel that here? Those are movements that actually feels good. Any pain or you're not sure what's going on there, come out of it a little bit. This is supposed to feel good. We don't want to hurt ourselves. So a little side to side, and let's start our march. You can raise just the heels if you want. Just the heel, one after the other. You're holding to your chair, and it's okay. It's there. Maybe the wall. It's good. Yeah. Maybe lifting the feet. The knee goes a little higher. Maybe you're walking slow. Maybe you're a little faster than me. You go at your own speed. We're still walking. We're still all going at the same place. We're all going to see the park, and it's beautiful. All the flowers. As you walk, just look around a little bit. Slow, slow, slow. Don't go as far as you can, Lo. You're not a slinky here. Huh? Just want to be able to look around. So the hip move first, and then your shoulder, and then you're gonna turn the head. We often get hurt because we look first with our head, then the body follow. Try with your hips first. Huh? Your shoulders, your head, tuck in your belly when you think of it. I need to remind myself all the time lately. It's an exercise too, just tucking it in. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go on my tiptoe so I can look like behind the fence. So go tiptoe. Huh? This is when you may want to really grab your chair, your bench, tiptoe. Huh? Tiptoe. So grab your chair, that's what it's there for. You can always, even regular class, just have a chair nearby. If you come down, you can't get up, you can crawl to it. I've got videos coming up, how to get up different ways. Now I'm just bending my knees, just like a little bounce. Just having fun in the park. Maybe having fun, my little body's going side to side. Maybe it's got a tiny twist to it. Maybe it varies. Just a little bit of energy. Maybe you're just walking and adding some type of a groove to it. Now, both my feet are not leaving the ground at all. My toe stays on. There's nothing lifting. So make sure you're grabbing something if you need to. Oh my goodness, and they're back onto our bench. And let's sit. Take your time, sit down. Move your bum back here. Maybe making a little room for your sit bone to be a little comfy here. And we can feed the pigeon. Maybe grab the food out of the bag and feed the pigeon. Little wrist rotation. I'm going outward here. But if you're doing this, that is good. You're moving with me. That's what's important. You're moving. Yeah. So feed your pigeon. Make sure you feed them all. Grab the food. Here, 2 hands. Feed lots of pigeon. And maybe rotating off wrist the other way now. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put my arm in the back of my chair, my bench. Bring my arm across. And inhale tall and exhale. Again, hips first, shoulders, then the neck. And just looking around what's going on. Just hold it just for a few breaths here. Oh, relax the body. Slow, come back. Other side, so grab your chair. Maybe you're holding on to the side. That's all good. Bring your hand across. Inhale up, exhale. Give it a nice little twist, like you're wringing a towel, but not very hard. We still want the towel to be damp, not to snap. Yeah, oh, that feels good. Relax. Round your back a little bit here. Yeah, slouch. Really slouch a little bit. Oh, and then shift. One side to the other. You're still slouching? You're not supposed to slouch? It's okay right now. And Marie said it's okay, just for now. Just for now. Inhale tall. Exhale, slouch. Inhale. Bring your back straight with your nose going forward. And exhale. Poof. Maybe your arms are here at school. Maybe they're going down. Nice little forward fold. Neck is relaxed. Push in your feet. Inhale back up. One more time. This time we're going to make a little more room here. So make room for our belly to get a little deeper, but maybe you don't want to do it again. Maybe it was just good enough. Maybe you want to do what you just did, and that's fine. So let's add a little inhale to that. Arms don't have to go all the way up. It's up to you. And exhale. Round your back, round your back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, relax. Oh my goodness. Now, wherever you are, maybe moving the arm, just fluffing the grass, fluffing the flower. Neck is relaxed. Pushing your feet. Come back halfway. That wasn't so bad. We had fun too. Telling me if it's not fun, I'm not gonna do it. So, our walk may be over right now, but we can keep all that calmness and carry it with us all day long. I'll be waiting for you at the next class. Join me when you're ready. I am Anne-Marie, the Yoga Storyteller with That's Life Yoga, wishing you a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.